From the News You Can Use department, if you spend your days on Google Meet as much as, or maybe more than you do on Zoom, then you're going to want to know about the new Green Room feature of Google Meet, because it will let you, get ready for your close-up, Ms. Desmond, quoting The Verge. Google has now made it easier to check your appearance and your tech before a Meet conference with its new Green Room feature. When you start or prepare to join a meeting, in the usual Ready to Join window that first appears, you will now also see a small button below your video that says, Check your audio and video. Just click on that button and a pop-up window will not only show your video image, but allow you to see and change which microphone, speaker, and camera is currently live. A next button on that pop-up window then lets you record a short 6-second video sample, allowing you to see how you will look and sound to the others in your meeting. According to Google, the clip is private to you and will not be saved. Your mic, speaker, camera, and connection are also checked by the system and get green check marks if they seem to be working, end quote. This feature is apparently available right now.